The El Niño Southern Oscillation, otherwise known as the ENSO, is a series of complex climate patterns typically divided into three phases: normal conditions, El Niño, and La Niña. What do these different phases represent? We can visualize the Pacific Ocean as a seesaw with cold water below and warm water above. During normal conditions, the seesaw is slightly tilted to the left due to the northeast trade winds. These winds blow from east to west and push warm water towards the western Pacific. This allows cold water to rise in the eastern Pacific. During El Niño years, the seesaw tilts to the right, reversing the flow of water because the northeast trade winds weaken. This means that warm water accumulates in the eastern Pacific, preventing cold water from rising, and in the western Pacific, the opposite is true. During La Niña years, the seesaw returns to normal conditions, but with an exaggerated tilt. Strengthened northeast trade winds shift more warm water to the west than usual, and as a result, more cold water rises to take its place. The ENSO is a cyclic phenomenon. It typically occurs every 2 to 7 years and lasts between 9 and 12 months, although this varies widely. El Niño events are declared when the temperature of the equatorial Pacific Ocean increases by 0.5 degrees Celsius, or 0.9 degrees Fahrenheit, for 3 consecutive months, followed by changes in atmospheric conditions and rainfall patterns. El Niño events are more common than La Niña events, and the strongest El Niño event in recorded history occurred from 2015 to 2016. Why do we care about El Niño events? The El Niño Southern Oscillation causes global changes in weather patterns and ocean conditions. It can lead to severe droughts, heavy floods, and major shifts in food production. Here at the Witman Lab, we're interested in learning how the ENSO affects the health and behavior of reef fish, coral bleaching and resilience, as well as the reproduction and maintenance of marine life populations. We are based in the Galapagos Islands off the coast of Ecuador, where our lab has established a long-term monitoring program that has collected more than 20 years' worth of data on the region's breathtaking marine ecosystems. As a result, we have the ability to analyze the effects of multiple El Niño and La Niña events on marine life and learn how climate change is affecting these cycles. We'll continue to explore these topics in additional videos. Thank you for watching.